These are the Bosch JS470E and JS470EB jigsaws. The JS470E has a top handle, and the JS470EB has a barrel grip for even better control. These tools provide power, durability, and precision for any woodworking professional. A 7-amp motor helps you power through wood, aluminum, even mild steel. The no-load SPM ranges from 500 up to 3100 and has up to 60 Hertz. Constant response circuitry ensures that the desired speed is maintained when under load, so you never have to worry about inconsistencies in performance or precision. Simply adjust between 4 different orbital action settings to find the right blade stroke for both smooth and aggressive cuts. You can also bevel up to 45 degrees. Both jigsaws features a toolless blade ejection lever, so you don't have to touch a hot blade when it's time to change, and they're both equipped with a non-marring plastic overshoe that protects finer surfaces. An anti-splinter insert fits either into the overshoe or directly into the footplate. The ambidextrous lock-on allows you for long and steady cuts without compromising comfort. Internal precision control within the plunge system is designed to keep vibration low and enhance accuracy for extremely smooth operation. So these are the Bosch JS470E and JS470EB top handle and barrel grip jigsaw.
Introducing the new 40V Max lithium-ion cordless chainsaw, part of the 40V Max cordless family of lithium-ion battery-powered products from Black & Decker. These products kick gas. You'll appreciate the convenience of the tool-free chain tension feature for quick and easy chain adjustments during the job. Simply rotate the inner dial to unlock the bar, and turn the outer dial to adjust the chain's tension for optimal cutting efficiency. This chainsaw is equipped with a premium 12-inch Oregon low kickback bar and chain running at 5 meters per second for a fast cut speed, cutting through 4x4 pine lumber on average 13% faster than Ryobi's RY4500. The automatic oiling system eliminates priming and assures your bar and chain receive the proper lubrication. The clear window allows you to gauge the oil level. This 40V Max chainsaw offers power, runtime, and versatility, all without the weight, noise, and hassle of gas-powered equipment. At 8.3 pounds, the chainsaw is lightweight, and its full wraparound handle provides a comfortable grip in cutting applications. We've put high power in a small, compact lithium-ion battery with long life. The 40V Max 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery included with this chainsaw makes over 60 cuts in 4x4 pine lumber on average per single charge, resulting in 58% more cuts than the Ryobi RY4500. The 40V Max lithium-ion cordless chainsaw from Black & Decker.
And plunge-based models, or as a combo kit. This modular router system features numerous user-inspired enhancements. Topping that list is the Bosch Trigger Control System, a true breakthrough innovation that makes this the first and only professional fixed-based router and combo kit with the switch in the handle. This exclusive feature has eluded design engineers for years due to the varying position of the motor within the fixed base. But thanks to a patented integrated low-voltage track connection system, Bosch engineers have made this feature a reality. Total control at your fingertips. With power, accuracy, and convenience, the 15-amp 2.3 horsepower motor features variable speed control, along with a soft start that minimizes startup torque. And with constant electronic feedback circuitry from Bosch, the motor maintains speed under load. The motor also features LED lighting, unique because it stays on whenever the motor is plugged in. This makes the bit area easier to see, not only during operation, but in between cuts as well. The motor housing and the bases are made of durable aluminum, and both bases have ergonomic soft grip handles for enhanced comfort and control, along with clear polycarbonate sub-bases for a better view of the workpiece. And thanks to the Bosch exclusive precision centering design, the sub-base or an optional template guide can be perfectly centered around the bit, making it easy to stay on the intended routing path. Both bases are compatible with most